Hi kids, welcome back. किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे A, B, C, D. Let's start. Blue color, orange color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, pink color, light pink color, yellow color, red color, green color, violet color and black color, orange color. A for apple. A for aunt. B for balloon. B for basket. A for alligator. A for aunt. B for balloon. B for butterfly. C for cat. C for car. D for dinosaur. D for dolphin. C for cycle. C for car. D for drum. D for dinosaur. Kids, read again. A for apple. B for balloon. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.